Would you like to know how you can be a part of a $300 billion industry that pays millions of dollars of commissions every single day? Well, obviously those are very large numbers, but in this video, I want to show you the exact complete system that you need in order to go from having zero experience to build that type of thriving business online in a short amount of time. My name is Oz Konar. I used to have a corporate job just like most people, working 60 to 80 hours a week selling financial services door to door. 3 days of the week, my job was to pull on doors and talk to business owners and hope that I walked in at the right time and they happen to need my products. And remaining of the week, remaining of the 2 days of the week, I would be in an office dialing 300 to 500 people a day, again, interrupting their day and hoping that I'm talking to the right person. And I didn't make a big deal about it at the time. I just thought that's the way it is. In order to make a living, you got to do what you got to do. Until one day, my wife pulled me to the side and asked me if we will ever have dinner together again. That was my wake-up call, and I noticed that I got to do something about this situation. That's when I found out that I got to learn more about how to run a business online and how to do the proper marketing, given that I have a background in financial services industry, so I can do what I was doing back then, face to face through cold calling or through telemarketing, 100% online. So in this video, I'm going to show you what those years of research and experience have brought and how you can actually be a part of this industry as well. If you're interested in this, I'm going to turn the camera over to my computer and share my screen and walk you through this entire business model. And if you're watching this right now, there is a reason that you and I have found each other, and there's a reason that you're looking for a change. You're looking for a way out of your current situation, and you want to make a massive change for a couple of reasons. And after working with thousands of people, I know it comes down to a couple of, or maybe all of the reasons, such as these, that people look for something, a tool, a vehicle that will take them from their current situation that they're not really happy about to their future situation they want to get to, and they're looking for a way to make that happen. So the only way to do that is to have your own business, but there are many options out there. So what kind of business do you want to have? Well, you want a business that creates a win-win solution. One is your business needs to solve a massive problem for your customers, right? So if they're dealing with a big problem, if you solve them, well, you'll be their champion, but also you're rewarded in direct proportion to the size of the problem you solve for them. The business we're talking about here is small business lending broker. So the fact is, if you talk to small businesses, 90% of them need funding and capital. But what has changed since 2008, both in the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, the banking restrictions, banking underwriting rules to fund small businesses have become super strict. They like providing funding and loans and capital to mid-sized to large-sized businesses. When it comes to mom and pop shops, even the ones that maybe you had in the past, or you know people who have small businesses, 70% of their loan applications are declined. That's massive because 75% of the entire economy consists of small businesses. That means you're cutting lifeblood of them having access to capital, because that money, that loan, for them means, for survival sometimes. That could mean buying a new fridge for the restaurant. That could mean paying the payroll for that week, or that could mean buying another business and thriving and things like that. So as banks are doing that, which this gave birth to a $300 billion industry, which now you can be a part of and help them. Why is this such a big opportunity for you? Because you can be a small business lending broker without needing any license or brokerage certification or anything like that. No experience, no expertise. Really, you can earn thousands of dollars in commissions per deal. You don't have to have an office or employees. And one of the most important things is you can run this business without any telemarketing and cold calling. Imagine being able to build a profitable business in a short amount of time and without needing any storefront or any employees, and without needing to have access to mountains of cash. And this industry can provide that to you. So I'm going to turn it back over to my camera and tell you how you can learn more about the system. All right, now that you know what this business could do for you, I want to personally invite you to a completely free training that I'm holding right now, where you can learn the entire system on how you can get started in this business and make a massive change in your life. If you're watching this video, that means that the free training is still on and we still have room for you to apply and register. So what I need you to do next is click on the link in this video to come to a page where I have the registration form for you to put your name and email address in order for you to watch the entire webinar. The webinar is 100% free. It allows you to understand more about this business, the potential, how you can get in front of the right customers, how you can help them with their small business funding needs and make a very handsome commission, very handsome living for yourself. So if you're interested in this, again, click on the link, enter your name and email address, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing you on the other side.